Good afternoon, model fans. Welcome to Cookie Monster's Model Corner. Today's edition, we're going to have a little look at Liebherr's impressive R9150B excavator. This machine is in the 125, 130 ton class. It has a massive V12 24 litre engine producing approximately 565 kilowatt or 758 horsepower in old money. So yeah, beast of an engine. As I said, 24 litres of V12, so not short in power, that's for sure. It looks like a mighty machine. So yeah, let's get her open and see what it's like. Brand new, so we're going to need the trusty Stanley blade. Always brings me back to Christmas morning as a kid. The excitement of opening the box for the first time doesn't get old. Wowee, what a model. Lots of hydraulic cooler fan detail. Some lovely decals and a nice punched mesh floor. You know it means business when it's got twin dipper rams and twin bucket rams. Rock guards. And there's a nice bit of weight to it as well. What a model. Sprung idlers, producing a lovely super realistic tensioning effect, and that's what they say in the real world. Should be minimal sag on the bottom row, and that is just about dead on. Second to none. Even got mesh on the engine covers. And appears to have hollow exhaust pipes. A little rear view camera has also been captured if I can get it to focus. Yeah, absolutely delighted. The increase in detail on modern models simply phenomenal compared to the older models of the mid-90s that I'd be used to. It's just leaps and bounds. Improvements. Incredible. Strong machine. So yeah, very strong machine. I need two hands to adjust the position. We'll get another model just for a little comparison, something in the same comparable weight category. So this is about the closest thing I have on my shelf. We've got quite a dusty 5110 cat made by Norscot, I believe. I'll just check that because they have changed names quite a lot. It is indeed Norscot. Just a little size comparison. Cat may be a little bit bigger. They still look fabulous. Some drone footage from above. So yeah, just about wraps up today's little comparison. Let me know what you'd like to see next. We'll see what we can do. Hopefully it's on the shopping list. Click subscribe if you want to see more videos in future. Click the notifications bell on the bottom right hand side. Drop a comment. Tell me what you'd like to see next. And I'll try to keep videos coming. I do like some variety in my channel, guys, so may not be model videos, but something related to diesel and metal and engines and horsepower. So yeah, if you like that sort of thing, click subscribe. You just never know what the next video will be. Neither do I. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Till the next time, over and out.